Okay, this is Weather Outlook, and this is your update on Wednesday, July 9th through the 12th. It's your 5-day forecast from northeastern PA and northern New Jersey. Now, these are your temperatures around 6 o'clock on Wednesday, the 9th. And as you can see, temperatures in the valleys here along the river are in the lower 80s. Elsewhere in the 70s, rain's beginning to move into the south. In northern New Jersey, temperatures are still into the lower 80s at this point in time. Precipitation that you got going on is beginning to creep into the picture. It's still down to the south here, but the clouds are ahead of it, and eventually the rain will move in to into the area. I wish these computer things would ever work right. You can see it to the south. This is around 7 o'clock. Here's 8 o'clock. There's 9 o'clock. You can see it working its way up to almost up to Hazleton, Wilkes-Barre area. And then as we get a little further ahead here, there's 10. You can see it's overspread a lot of northern PA, but not only in the shower form drizzle. And then it kind of works its way off to the east around 11. There's 12. There's 1. There's 2 in the morning, 3 in the morning, and it kind of goes away except for some spotty drizzles and stuff. On Thursday, temperatures in the afternoon, this is around 1 o'clock, upper 70s to lower 80s to mid 80s in some areas where the sun has stayed out. But it's another one of those situations late in the afternoon where there could be some thunderstorms. This takes you to around 7 o'clock, and you can see they're up here by Elmira, and they're beginning to work their way into PA. There's going to be some spotty drizzle also before them rains come down, and the temperatures around 7 o'clock reflect the rain. As you can see, temperatures up here around 70 degrees. In the valleys down here, they're in the upper 70s to around 80. But that precipitation will work its way into the rest of PA, but it won't stay together. It'll just come across as some showers overnight into Friday. Now we get into Friday. You can see this is early in the morning still. It's around 9 o'clock. You can still see some sprinkles and showers around. So, and then late in the afternoon, this is around 3 in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms get going. Again, they just kind of pop up. I mean, this is around 6 o'clock. Here's 7 o'clock, and here's 8 o'clock, and they're moving off again. And what's left behind is some showers and maybe a downpour around 10 o'clock at night. And then as we get into Saturday, we still got a couple of sprinkles early on, but as we get through the afternoon, there's only one little dot showing up here, way up here, up northeastern PA, but we don't have a lot until roughly 2 o'clock in the afternoon, and you can see there's a possibility of a few thunderstorms to the north east in there, and they kind of work their way out into New York, and then you're left behind with a couple showers. And here's the line of showers around 7 o'clock on Saturday night. So, weather's not perfect, but if you watch the main video from Wednesday, you'll see there's some relief in sight at the end of next week.